Nthawi Nkhani. Around 2002 mene ine ndinkapita ku boarding school. Pina kwake ku Livingstone yongo. Tizi nalili pa chimake. Anthu amatizana kupezeka kuti mwana wa form 1 kumuthira madzi pakati pa usiku mu Juni. Ika chitetse pa bedi chani umenyero makofi. Kumati machisa, I think adaina kamati machisa kuti imbisa nyimbo. Azungungatelu kumanga ndege kuiga bateko panyani kulira tatatatatat. Ati bisala kuchani kukupasa toothbrush ija bisala kapanda kubisala makofi bisala toothbrush komana daina anaonjeza nde kumakhala assembly pa Monday. A headmaster, rest in peace to that guy, very angry, Mr. Kamasumbi. Nango bela mine majapa. So and so has been immediately rusticated. Rustication is the act of banishing someone from a school. So and so has immediately been rusticated for forcing his penis into the mouth of a Form 1 student. Fancy ish. Adaja kunyama kwa fire. Tayo sitting as tengel. Nangasima 2000. Kama thinking about it was like, ish. That was such a specific way kupanga tizi. Ena menya makofi, ena kumama chisana. Why did he choose to force his penis into the mouth of a Form 1? So not gay adao. Come anyway, those were the fucking days. School ya ifesina liachi bwana. Night school. Koma de mayamba jani. 7:30 a.m. mpakana 17:30, 5:30 a.m. 5:30 p.m. Amwene de magaya geri. Kanalika school yana kaka ngono next to Livingstone Secondary School. Maka school kabene gogo nali mabwana say mpira timaposa akude. And I don't know why we were called night school for jodi mapunzi za masana. Fizi madura sometime manager I think many nikampita ife. It was 2,500. Not cheap. Anantamangisa pa school imene yo analimba chikata kupita kwa madala. Akuti mwana wano ya masuda jamba, anaba ma main switch, anaswa ma glass. All I did was timasela mpira mu hostel inaketi inali abandoned. Ineyo since that time sina suteko jamba ineyo. I swear. Sina beko kalikose koma. Nango zivomeza. Ntesa school. Madala. Atalandakata. Ndili kumuzi Nthawi imeneyo. He thought I was hopeless. Kundipempherera jani. No, my uncle was mistaken. I was not smoking chamba and I was not a vagabond. But anyway, that's the story. Nthawi Nkhani.